Today, let's dive into the fascinating role of the Numberdar in Pakistan's rural governance. In Pakistan, a Numberdar is a key public representative at the grassroots level, especially in rural areas. They play a vital role in connecting the community with the government. Now, what makes a great Numberdar? Two essential qualities: Sadiq and Ameen. Let's start with Sadiq, which means truthfulness. A Numberdar must accurately represent the government's policies and initiatives to the public. They provide truthful information about government programs and services. This ensures transparency and avoids any misinformation or deceit. They also maintain honesty in financial transactions and record-keeping. Next, we have Ameen, meaning trustworthiness. A Numberdar demonstrates reliability and integrity in their duties. They uphold confidentiality and handle sensitive information with discretion. Ensuring accountability and taking responsibility for their actions is crucial. This fosters trust among community members, government officials, and other stakeholders. Why are these qualities so important? First, they build trust with the community. Second, they ensure effective communication and dissemination of information. Third, they promote transparency and accountability in governance. Fourth, they facilitate access to government services and programs. And finally, they help resolve disputes and address grievances in a fair and impartial manner. By embodying Sadiq and Ameen, a Numberdar can become a trusted and effective bridge between the government and the people. This contributes to the development and prosperity of Pakistan. So next time you hear about a Numberdar, remember their crucial role in shaping rural governance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights.